Yes, we are back with the next video, and here now we are taking up the problem number 9, which says it's 82 raised to 1 by 4. So as usual, right? So let's start with y. Y is x raised to 1 by 4. We just saw in the previous problem that dy by dx is 1 by 4 x raised to minus 3 by 4. Now, we'll talk about x plus delta x, which is 82, and y plus delta y is 82 raised to 1 by 4. So also x for us, again, that's a place where we stop and we start thinking, which is a value which is close to 82, whose raised to 1 by 4 value, we know it. No, that's our task. So it's quite okay. We know that in the vicinity of 82, you have the number like 81, no, whose fourth root is 3. That's very easy. So we can take x as 81. Why? Because y is 81 raised to 1 by 4, and that is 3. 3 raised to 4 is 81. That way. Automatically, we have to find out what is delta x, x plus delta x minus x. So 82 minus 81, which is going to be 1. That allows us to find out dy by dx also at the standard value, x 81. Let's find out 1 by 4, 81 raised to minus 3 by 4, which means it's 1 by 4. Probably 81 raised to 1 by 4 whole raised to minus 3. That means it is 1 by 4. 81 raised to 1 by 4 is 3. Why? Because 81 is 3 raised to 4. So this is 3 raised to minus 3, which means it is 1 by 4 into 3 raised to 3. It's 27 into 4 actually. Let's find out. 27 into 4. How much is that? 4, 7 4 are 28, 8 and 1, 108. Working column. Yeah. So it is 108. Having got this, automatically we are moving to what we know, the idea also that we know that delta y is y plus delta y minus y. That way it is what? Y plus delta y is 82 raised to 1 by 4, and y for us it's 3. This actually is dy by dx into delta x in approximation. So we can have that substitution also. Dy by dx is 1 by 108, and delta x is 1 for us luckily. So it is 82 raised to 1 by 4 minus 3 for us. 3 can quickly go there on the other side. So 84 raised to 1 by 4 is 3 plus 1 by 108. Now as usual, no, either you equalize and then get the answer after dividing, etc. Otherwise you find out the decimal for 1 by 108 and then try to get the answer. It's totally on one's own convenience. So let's find 1 divided by 108. I think that is little shorter as compared to the other method. So let's get that. 1 doesn't divide, so 0.1 decimal does not divide. 0 and 1 more 0 gives 1 more 0, again doesn't divide. 0, 1 more 0, 1000. So 108 maybe, let's check. 108 maybe say 5 times, so it will give us a barometer as to how to go. 40, 540, so maybe say 9 times or 8 times. 64, 8 ones are 8, 8, 64, or maybe 9 times. 72, 972. 9 is good. 9 times it is 972. Now let's do the subtraction. 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 8, 2 and 0. Because of the decimal you can always get a 0, and 108 twice is 216. Still we'll get it confirmed. Yeah, 216. So twice you can always take. It's 216. You need not proceed because you've got 4 decimal places. So 0.0092. So 82 raised to 1 by 4. Yeah, you can, because it's plus 0.0092. So it will work as 3.0092. That's a value of 82 raised to 1 by 4. Pretty easy because it was plus here. That's why. So quickly we can also go to the next question, that is the 10th one, which says that it is 401 raised to half. Raised to half problems also we have done in abundance. Let's take this raised to half. So here we'll define our y. Y is x raised to half. So what is our dy by dx? Dy by dx is 1 by 2 root x, or 2x raised to half. Now we do our definitions, that x plus delta x, so we almost do blindfolded, and y plus delta y is 401 raised to half, from where we try to take the vicinity ones and y from here. 401 is a very famous value. You have 400 close to it, whose square root we know is 20. So therefore that should be very easy. 400, and 400 raised to half, that is square root of 400 is 20. We all know 20 into 20 is 400. That's quite popular. So that way it's very easy to find this. Having got this, it's very natural for us to get delta x. Delta x is x plus delta x minus x. So that way it is 401 minus 400, that's 1. Automatically we'll quickly find out dy by dx at x equal to 400. So that's where, that is 1 by 2 into 400 raised to half, which is 20. So that way it will come to 1 by 40. Now we will check delta y. We all know is y plus delta y minus y, and this delta y is dy by dx into delta x in approximation. So quickly we can get all the values substituted. Dy by dx for us it's 1 by 40, and delta x for us it's 1. Y plus delta y is 401 raised to half, and y for us it is 20. So let's have this. 401 raised to half is 20 plus 1 by 40. Now either we kind of equalize it and do it, or like before we will just try to get what is 1 by 40 in decimal and try to get the answer. So like that, 1 by 40. Let's get the decimal 0 point. Z, because it's not dividing, let's put a 0, make it 100. 40 should be twice, could make it 80. Like that you could get 20 left with the 0 because of the decimal. 5 times 0.025. Because it's plus now, it makes things quite easy actually. Yeah, so what do we get? We get 401 raised to half as 20.02. That's all for this particular problem, problem number 10. With more problems, we meet in the next video. Meanwhile, I will be reminding you to please popularize the channel and see that we get more and more subscribers. Thank you.